This video is brought to you by the Pacific Northwest Herbicide Resistance Initiative. Welcome to a journey through the challenges and strategies for managing Russian thistle in the low precipitation zones of the inland Pacific Northwest. Russian thistle, an economically significant summer annual broadleaf weed, infests over 4.5 million acres, costing growers more than $50 million annually in control measures and affecting wheat yield and quality. This weed poses a significant threat to the sustainability of no-till wheat cropping systems in the Pacific Northwest, as it is challenging to control with herbicides, especially during summer fallow and after harvest. Additionally, conventional tillage systems that require frequent soil disturbance have been shown to lead to environmental issues, such as heightened wind erosion and a decline in soil quality. No-till farming, a proven soil conservation tool, has been effective in reducing soil erosion, cutting fuel costs, and improving water infiltration. But here's the twist. The ongoing development of herbicide resistance in Russian thistle threatens the very benefits of no-till farming. Before we delve into solutions, let's understand the biology of Russian thistle. Russian thistle is highly resilient to drought conditions due to its extensive, deep root system and numerous stems. This resilience is further supported by its C4 carbon fixation pathway and high water use efficiency. This weed reproduces exclusively through seeds, which can germinate quickly under favorable conditions. Provided there is sufficient moisture, germination can happen in the late winter and early summer, but mostly occurs during the spring months. Russian thistle seed germination is influenced by temperature, moisture, and seed depth in the soil. Seeds can emerge with just a brief period of moisture, even from shallow depths, presenting a challenge for control. A single uncontrolled Russian thistle plant can produce an astonishing number of seeds. The mature plants break off at ground level and disperse seeds like tumbleweeds with the wind. These resilient seeds can travel considerable distances, posing a significant challenge for farmers. Interestingly, most Russian thistle seeds are not viable after one season, unlike longer-lived seeds such as jointed goat grass or wild oat. Russian thistle exhibits morphological diversity, but genetic studies suggest that it's one highly variable species. However, the response of this diversity to herbicide treatments remains unexplored. The primary impact of Russian thistle on wheat crops is yield loss due to competition for soil moisture. Crop competition is key to preventing or suppressing Russian thistle. In the crop year, timely planting, appropriate crop density, and agronomic practices enhance crop competitiveness. The use of multiple herbicides with different modes of action is recommended for effective control. Controlling weeds after harvest is crucial for preventing reinfestations and reducing both water consumption and seed production. Post-harvest weed management can be effectively carried out by using minimal tillage approaches like chisel plowing or utilizing an undercutter. Alternatively, applying herbicides when the plants are young and more vulnerable can also be a successful strategy. Residual herbicides can reduce the need for post-emergence herbicides or tillage during summer fallow. The development of herbicide resistance in Russian thistle is an ongoing concern. Glyphosate resistance is a particular challenge, emphasizing the need for diversified control strategies. In the face of these challenges, farmers in the inland Pacific Northwest are adapting and striving for a sustainable future. Oregon State University, in collaboration with the USDA ARS unit in Pendleton, Oregon, is investigating a cooperative weed management approach. This strategy involves neighboring farmers joining forces to eradicate Russian thistle from shared areas such as fence lines, roadsides, and fields. Recent research has shown that farmers operating cooperatively have 17% fewer Russian thistle in their fallow fields and 15% fewer thistles following harvest. These cooperative weed managers are realizing around $18 an acre of savings when managing summer fallow compared to those not managing Russian thistle cooperatively. Thank you for joining us in exploring the management of Russian thistle in a wheat-fallow crop rotation. This video has been made possible thanks to the Pacific Northwest Herbicide Resistance Initiative. For more information and support, please contact your local agricultural extension services.